reintroducing ourselves because I'm getting a bit of money. Kambijana, you know, kanokwana, ke salary, Kenako chichi. You know what I mean? So yeah, things are starting to stabilize. But I'm still feeling crap because, you know, like my family's in Gweru, brother, pressure. I'll tell you when my missus moved to, I'll tell you, it's within the timeline. So I'm more in the studio 2016, right? People are starting to trust me more because I've made this, I've helped out because we used to do collaborative productions with Oskid. People are starting to say, when I'm not there, it's like this, when I'm there, it's a bit better. So, okay, let's push. And ExQ is more actively making music with me because I think that he just noticed that I've got the sound that he needed.
Confirm at the time you started to make Tseo.
Tseo was a compilation. There's some tracks that we made, like Tsvigiri, we made it in 2016.
Get out of here.
I'm telling you.
It then came out way later.
Way later. Yeah, we started working on Tsvigiri with Dara. You know, Vanoreva Nema, we started working on it around that time.
Explain
So, there's a backstory that I will not talk about. Vanoreva Nema, I won't. Get thee behind me, Satan.
No, but for the sake of, you gotta tell the story, man.
I'll see if I want to tell the story, bro. So there's a story. Yeah. So 2016, I'm more active. That's the year that we made Kilos.
Kilos, man. It has to be one of the finest.
So that's the beats that I made when I was on the bus coming to Harare in 2015 flashback, you remember. I made 2 beats. I made 2 beats. That and Vanoreva Nema. It was still like a demo. Yeah. So, you know, I'm there. I made that. I've made a couple of Soul Africa songs. Anatore Mandevu, a couple of Nati O songs as well. When did we do Jakanaka?
I'm about to tell that story.
Was it
2016?
It was 2016, right?
2016. So tell you what, I come to the studio.
Crap, you were there. But was it after X? Before X. Okay, all right, cool.
Before X. I come to the studio. Guapo is not there.
Oh, yeah.
Right? I'm like, cool, where's Rock? It's like, no, it's not yet, Chichi. We hang out outside. Then you're like,
let's go in.
Then you play the Jaganaka and it's a demo.
The demo version.
And it's the demo version. I'm like, oh my goodness.
Was that a Sunday? It should have been a Sunday.
I forgot what day it was.
It should. So Sundays are very significant in, I'll tell you, in my timelines, 80% of the hit songs that I've made them on Sundays. I realized it later. I'm like, but look, Kwanda Vakure, Jaganaka. So every Sunday was me and Nati all day, right?